Google Pixel 6 Pro camera samples offers the first look of the photos and video quality of the upgraded camera sensor. Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video. So guys, Google has taken a different tactics this year with the marketing of Pixel 6 series, putting the phones on the billboards, magazine, TV ads, and even on the storefront window. We even know a decent amount about the phone internals, with the Google outlining their in-house tensor chips and other specs. Despite that, there's a lot we had to learn through less official avenue. For example, with Google themselves shared news of the Pixel 6 Pro telephoto sensors, we learned about the Pixel 6 series upgraded to a 50 megapixel of a camera sensor through a APK tier down. This change in the cameras in the Pixel 6 is the biggest camera upgrade of the series had outside of the ear software enhancement. With that being said, up to this point, we haven't had any reference for the Pixel 6 camera quality. But do keep in mind that that was a device which was a prototype, and the final device may be look differently or have different internals. So that was a leak which was arrived last month. But today, from the same source and the same tech YouTuber has shared a collection of photos and video samples taken with the Pixel 6 Pro cameras. But it's important to remember that the camera samples we see here are taken on a pre-release Pixel 6 Pro device. Even if all the hardware is identical to the final device, the Pixel 6 series camera powers over the ear has to come from the Google use of machine learning and software techniques to enhance the final photos. It's likely this prototype does not have the most up-to-date software, meaning we should take these camera samples as a possible preview and not definitive. Another factor in the play is that we currently can only see the shots by way of a YouTube video, meaning the images and the videos has been reprocessed as opposed to being available directly from camera. Basically, these images that has been arrived give us a reasonable look at the Pixel 6 Pro photos and video capabilities in the hands of an average person, which in some ways are more interesting test than shots from professional photographer. Based on brief preview, most of these photos are taken at 12.5 megapixel resolution, meaning photo is performing 4 times of pixel binning of shots from its 50 megapixel sensor. The best example we have is the portrait orientation shot of a green home with good detail visible both in the streets and the house balcony. Things seems a bit darker in the shot, which could be an aspect of the Pixel 6 Pro or simply due to it being overcast day. In another sample demonstrating the Pixel 6 Pro portrait camera capabilities on non-living subjects, the bokeh effects look solid and the outline around the effect is not particularly noticeable. On the other hand, in the videos, there are a few brief recordings from the Pixel 6 Pro camera, but unfortunately they were all recorded at 1080p in portrait orientation, which makes it a bit harder to judge the true quality. We also have given a closer look at the curved display of the Pixel 6 Pro, giving a better idea of the slope of the glass and how far the display stretches into the curve. It has been in the leaks that this curve is going to be pretty much similar to the Galaxy S21 Ultra curves. So guys, all in all, what do you think about the Pixel 6 Pro cameras for a few samples we have given so far? Share your thoughts down in the comments, subscribe to the channel for more daily tech video. Thanks for watching, peace.